Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a book that really had me thinking Conversations with Friends by Sally Rooney. If you have read Normal People or heard about Rooney's quite emotional writing style, this one follows a similar vibe, but with its own twist. I give it 4 out of 5 stars, and in this video, I will walk you through what I loved, what made me pause, and whether I'd recommend it to you. So grab a coffee or get comfy. Let's get into it. So, what's the story? Conversations with Friend follows Frances, a 21-year-old student and writer living in Dublin. She performs spoken word poetry with her ex girlfriend and best friend Bobby. They meet a married couple, Melissa, a photographer, and Nick, a quiet actor. Frances ends up getting involved in a complicated emotional and physical relationship with Nick. And from there, everything starts to unravel friendships, personal identity, loyalty. It's messy, and that's what makes it so real. There's no big twist or plot explosion. Instead, it's about the small moments, awkward texts, silences, lingering stares. Rooney captures the unspoken tension between people better than almost any writer I have read recently. Now let's talk about the characters because this is a character driven novel all the way. Frances is the narrator. She's sharp, smart, but incredibly emotionally repressed. You get deep into her mind, and it's not always comfortable. You see her try to control everything, especially her emotions, and fail again and again. Nick, her lover, is soft spoken, emotionally complex, and hard to pin down. Some readers found him frustrating, but I actually found him believable, like someone who's been hurt and is unsure how to move forward. Bobby is electric, confident, witty, and sometimes selfish, but she's also the emotional anchor of Frances' life. And then there's Melissa, who's mysterious, intense, and sometimes hard to read. Every character has layers, and Rooney peels them back slowly. What really stood out to me in this book are the themes. Rooney writes about intimacy, communication, and the strange gray areas between friendship and love. This book made me reflect on how we relate to people and how sometimes we perform emotions instead of actually feeling them. There's a lot of power dynamics, especially between older and younger people, men and women, emotional openness and emotional withholding. Frances is constantly trying to control her world, but she's also falling apart. It felt very raw and honest, not always easy to read, but real. Rooney's writing is quiet. If you're someone who loves action packed books, this may not be your style. She writes in short clip sentences. There's no quotation marks, which can be annoying at first, but once you get used to it, it actually adds to the vibe. It feels like you're inside Frances' head. The writing is elegant but plain. No flashy metaphors, no heavy description, just thoughts, conversations, and tiny emotional shifts that feel big when you read them closely. So why 4 stars? I really appreciated the realism of the relationships. Nothing felt fake. Everything was emotionally complicated, like life is. I love the emotional tension, the way characters changed each other in small ways, and how Rooney gives space to silence. It's a book that trusts the reader to notice the details. And Frances, even when she frustrated me, felt human. I wanted to see how she had grown, and I did feel that by the end. She had changed in quiet but important ways. Now, why not 5 stars? Sometimes it dragged, the pacing can feel too slow. There were moments where I wanted a little more action or at least movement. Also, Frances is so emotionally closed off that it gets hard to connect with her sometimes. You understand her thoughts but not always her heart. And while I love the realism, I think the ending left me wanting a little more resolution. So, would I recommend Conversations with Friends? Yes, but with some context. If you love character driven stories, emotional tension, and quiet reflections on love and identity, this will hit. If you want something plot heavy or fast paced, maybe try something else first. But if you're curious about Sally Rooney, this is a great intro to her unique voice. Thank you so much for watching this review. If you read Conversations with Friends, let me know what you thought in the comments. Did you relate to Frances? Did you like Nick? I would love to hear your take. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more bookish content every week. I'll be reviewing more modern fiction, literary novels, and everything in between. Until next time, happy reading.